I, like a few other people, have managed to get my hands on one of the new iPhone 4s. And one of the really good new features of the iPhone 4 is the gyroscope. There's only one game that I know of, I think there's probably a few more, that actually uses the gyroscope. And it's called Eliminate Gun Range. In the game, you can select a few weapons and only unlock one, because it's a fairly new game. So, select the weapon of your choice, and then you get a few different places to go to. There's this. Let's get it. As you can see, the graphics are pretty good, and the gyroscope works really, really well, and is really, really responsive, and quite accurate. Quite hard for me to play because I'm trying to do it, keeping it relatively still for the camera. But trust me, the gyroscope is really accurate and it's quite easy to get it on target. If you've got a new iPhone 4, definitely recommend going out and getting this game, as it really does show off one of the new features. Challenge. Let's just go to level 2. Just in order to show you as much of the gyroscope in action as I possibly can. Okay, I'm going to keep this fairly short. That is Eliminate Gun Range for the new iPhone 4. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please do check out my channel, because I do quite a lot of vlogging, which I just really like you to watch that. Please do subscribe. There will definitely be some more videos on the iPhone 4, as well as my vlogs. Okay, thank you. This is Jax20i. Goodbye.